Hey you guys, so in today's video, I will be showing you what is inside of the Texas Manicurist State Board Kit. I hope you guys find this helpful. We're going to go through each bag and show you what is inside. So with our first bag, as you can see, this is our pre-exam setup and disinfection bag. If you're wondering, this is a 2-gallon Ziploc bag, okay? So this is what it looks like with everything in it. Okay, so here we go. So we have our trash bag, our tape, we have our hand sanitizer, and of course we have our EPA, a Ziploc bag, just a regular sandwich size Ziploc bag with some paper towels. We have our mannequin hand, okay? You cannot take a trainer hand with you the day of the test. It can be one of these hands here that's pretty flexible. And as you can see, it is pre-prepped already. And of course, our mannequin hand stand. So all of these items are inside of the pre-exam setup and disinfection bag. Again, this is for the Texas Manicurist practical exam. So this is the first bag. Let's move on to our next one. Our next bag is the Manicure service bag. This is what it looks like. Again, these are 2-gallon size bags, okay? This is what the bag looks like. Now let's go and see what is inside. Okay, you guys, so inside of our Manicure service bag, we have our finger bowl. We have our cotton, some paper towels. We have 3 towels. We have our bottles. We have our cuticle cream, our antibacterial soapy water. We have our massage lotion, and of course our alcohol. Inside of our pre-sanitized implements box, we have some tweezers, metal pusher. We have our emery board. We have our orange wood stick. We have, of course, our brush, our manicure brush, and our cuticle nipper. Okay, so again, all of these items, all those implements go inside of our implements box. So this is everything that is inside of our manicure service bag. Here is our tip application service bag. It's just a regular Ziploc bag, as you guys can see. Okay, you guys, so these are all the items that are inside of our tip application service bag. We have our glue, our nail tips, our nail tip cutter, our dehydrator, a buffing block, a file, a dust brush, and of course our orange wood stick. So again, these are all the items that are inside of the nail tip application service bag. Okay, you guys, so these are the items that are inside of your sculptured nail service bag. So we have our orange wood stick, we have an abrasive nail file, our dehydrator, our primer, our nail form, we have an acrylic nail brush, we have our odorless monomer and polymer powder. Again, for those items, you want to make sure that they are odorless and that they are labeled by the manufacturer. We have our double dapper dish, we have a buffer, and of course a dust brush. There you have it. Again, I hope you have found these videos helpful. There you go. Again, please make sure that you are going over the latest PSI Candidate Information Bulletin. This is for the Texas Manicurist practical test and preparation of your state board kit. So if you plan on building your own state board kit, you will find these videos helpful. Again, everything that is in each bag is here. Last but not least, we have our blood exposure incident bag. This is what it looks like. All right, you guys, so these are the items that are inside your blood exposure incident bag. We have our napkins, we have our gauze, we have our alcohol pads, of course we have our band-aids, and we have our biohazard bag along with an additional bag that will serve also as a trash bag. Remember, for this part, all the items that are used, okay, are your wrapping paper. Everything that is used during this part of the test will be going inside of your biohazardous bag and then inside of your other trash bag, okay? So double bag, a bag within a bag. So make sure you have everything you need and that your biohazardous bag is also labeled. Okay, there you have it. Okay, so this concludes the Texas Manicurist State Board Kit. This is the box that we use to put all the items in, all the bags. Remember, everything must be labeled, and this is what our box is labeled, pre-sanitized, and you can also write the word clean implements on the side of the box. But this is what it looks like. It's not a very large box. I do not have the exact measurements of this box, but I'm sure it is something that you can find at any store. But there you have it. Now, if you're wondering why there is not a end of examination disinfection bag, now for that section, all you'll be doing will be disinfecting your station and cleaning and just using paper towels. So the paper towels that are inside of your pre-exam setup and disinfection bag, those paper towels will stay on your station along with your hand sanitizer and your EPA. So therefore, when it's time for you to perform the end of examination disinfection, you will already have all the items that you need for that particular section, which involves just you putting everything away and of course disinfecting your area, which will then conclude the end of the exam. I hope this all makes sense. I hope you found this video helpful. Like always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.